Effective boards have a plan of what they intend to achieve in order to drive and support the corporate strategy. They have the right mix of skills and knowledge, embed effective processes, governance, and communication, and have the ability to work effectively as a team. Kendo enables boards to define, monitor, and assess each of these components. When logging in, board members will be able to view the corporate business plan. It articulates how the strategy will be delivered and assigns responsibility for its execution to individual executives. Next, board members need to understand the role they play on the board and their responsibilities, as well as the skills required to be a successful board member. The board role definition can be found under the Careers section. To ensure the board has the skills, knowledge, and experience needed to effectively steer the company, each individual board member should undertake a skills assessment against the skills defined in the role to identify any gaps and set growth goals where appropriate. This is done using the skills matrix. The overall skills matrix results are available in the board section of Kendo. All board members are able to view the results, ensuring that an open conversation can be had about the skills and composition of the board. Board members can view the board plan. It defines the key deliverables for the board each year. The board plan can also enable regular assessments of the performance of the board via pulse checks. Only the board chair can add board objectives. However, all board members have visibility of the objectives, so it's clear where accountabilities lie and what progress is being made. To ensure effective documentation and communication, the board cabinet can be used for storing files like the Constitution, board and committee charters, minutes, board papers, and other documents. Upload and share any files with the board for efficient and timely access by those who need it. Board reviews, also known as retrospectives, allow the board to reflect on its effectiveness and provide the chair with critical feedback on what's working and what's not. To complete a board retrospective, select the relevant period. Assess a series of questions in relation to the 6 key areas of board effectiveness: composition and structure, dynamics and processes, monitoring, reporting and risk management, strategy and business, subcommittee contribution, and overall performance. Once submitted, the chair will have access to all board members' retrospectives to determine how to improve the effectiveness of the board. Kendo also allows the creation of board committees, for example, audit, risk, remuneration, or investment committees. Committees operate like teams and should have a defined and agreed mission to fulfill, have defined outcomes to achieve, clearly defined roles, and agreed ways of operating. These components can all be set up through the board committee function in Kendo. To be effective, boards should regularly plan and monitor their objectives, assess their skills, and review their processes, governance, and communication. This will ensure they can effectively lead the organization to achieve its greatest success.